How to multiply and divide fractions.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
How to multiply fractions. Multiply the numerators of the fractions to get the new numerator. Next, multiply the denominators of the fractions to get the new denominator. Simplify your answer if possible. Try natin i-multiply yung 7/8 by 3/4. So, ang gagawin lang natin, hindi to katulad ng addition and subtraction na kailangan kuhanin yung LCD. So, ang gagawin lang natin, multiply natin yung numerator to another numerator. So, 7 times 3, 7, 14, 21. And then, multiply natin yung denominator sa denominator. 8 times 4, 8, 16, 24, 32. And then, 21 and 32, wala nang common. So, sagot natin is 21/32. Next example natin, 10/12 times 3/4. So, again, multiply lang yung numerator to numerator. 10 times 3 is 30. Then, denominator to denominator. 12 times 4, 48. And, since yung ating 30 and 48 ay may common divisor, which is 6, ay yung GCF nila. So, 36 divided by 6 is 5. Then, 48 divided by 6 is 8. So, our answer is 5/8. Meron pa tayong other way para mapabilis yung pagko-compute dito. So, ang gagawin natin, hanapin natin yung common divisor dito sa ating given fractions. Pero, make sure na magka-cancel tayo or dapat may common sila, numerator, denominator. So, pwedeng pa-vertical at pwede rin namang diagonal kung ano naman yung merong common. So, kunwari, dito sa 10 and 12, meron tayong common divisor which is 2. So, 10 divided by 2 is 5. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Next, try natin yung 3 and 4. Wala silang common. So, diagonals. 5 and 4, wala din. 3 and 6, yes, we have, which is 3. So, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. And then, since wala na tayong common, pwede na nating i-multiply yung numerator to numerator, which is 5. Then, denominator to denominator, which is 8. So, pareho lang tayo ng makukuhang sagot. How to multiply mixed numbers? What if mixed numbers naman yung given? So, 1 and 3/4 times 7 and 1/2. So, hindi natin pwedeng multiply yung whole number by whole number, then numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. Hindi yun pwede. So, ang gagawin natin, change natin pareho sa improper fraction. And again, to change mixed number to improper fraction, Mac method tayo with Mr. Triangle. So, 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3, 7/4. So, magiging 7/4 times 2 times 7 is 14 plus 1 is 15/2. So, I have 7/4 times 15 halves. And then, check natin kung meron tayong mga numbers na pwedeng i-cancel. Or kung meron silang common divisor. So, 7 and 4, none. 15 and 2, wala din. 7 and 2, wala. 15 and 4, wala. So, kung wala, multiply na tayo. 7 times 15. So, multiply natin. 15 times 7. 35, carry 3. 10. So, 105 over 4 times 2 is 8. So, answer 105/8. Kung gusto nyo naman na change natin siya sa mixed number, pwede naman. So, to change improper to mix, di-divide lang natin yung 105 by 8. So, 10 divided by 8, 1. 1 times 8 is 8. Then, subtract 10 minus 8, 2. Bring down 5. 25 divided by 8 is 3. 3 times 8, 24. Then subtract 1. So we have 13 and 1/8. So or we have 13 and 1/8. So alin man sa dalawa ay tama naman. How to divide fractions. Multiply the first fraction by the reciprocal of the second, then simplify. So, divide natin yung 5/6 by 3/2. So, katulad ng multiplication of fractions, hindi natin kailangan ng LCD sa pagdi-divide ng fractions. Pero, kailangan natin ng reciprocal ng second given or ng ating divisor. So, reciprocal, babaliktarin lang natin yung places ng numerator and denominator. So, gagamit tayo ng method na CCR. So, CCR, copy, change, reciprocal. So, ano ba yung copy, change, reciprocal? So, yung copy, kakopy natin yung first given. Change natin yung division into multiplication. And then, get the reciprocal of 3/2, which is 2/3. And then, balik na tayo sa multiplication of fractions. So, tingnan natin kung mayroon tayong makakancel. 5 and 6, wala. 2 and 3, wala. 5 and 3, wala. 2 and 6, meron. 2 and 6 by 2. So, 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So, wala na. 5 times 1 is 5. 3 times 3 is 9. So, our answer when we divide 5/6 by 3/2 is 5/9. How to divide mixed numbers. What if we are given mixed numbers? So, the same as multiplication of mixed numbers, we have to change mixed numbers into improper fractions. So, Mac method for 6 times 4 is 24 plus 1, 25 over 6 divided by 3 times 1 is 3 plus 2 is 5 over 3. And then, proceed tayo sa CCR. Again, what is CCR? Copy, change, reciprocal. So, copy natin yung first given, which is 25 over 6, a first fraction. Then, change division to multiplication. Then, get the reciprocal of 5/3, which is 3/5. And let us check kung mayroon tayong common divisors. 25 and 6, wala. 3 and 5, wala. 5 and 5, yes, which is 5. So, 25 divided by 5 is 5. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Then, another 3 and 6, yes, by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. Then, multiply na natin. 5 times 1 is 5. 2 times 1 is 2. Ito na yung answer natin, 5/2. Or, if we want to change it into mixed number, pwede naman. How many 2's in 5? We have 2. 2 times is 4. 5 minus 4 is 1 over 2. So, we have 5/2 or 2 and 1/2.